Philippines!
Maayong aga diha mga ka-everything. So, ang aga-aga ni Mr. aalis. Iiwan na naman tayo this time. Ang aga. Wala pang 5 o'clock. Mga 4 o'clock pa ata ito. Grabe. Yun siya nagre-ready lang siya. Iiwan tayo. Tapos na pala siyang naligo. Guys, ready to go na pala. Sabi ko sa kanya, ba't hindi mo ako ginising? Tingnan mo nga itong mukha ni Lola, guys. Grabe pa. Ang sarap pa matulog. Ano kayang ginagawa nitong mister ko dito sa office niya? Office na ba dumi? Bahala na sa Batman. Ayaw niya ng pancake. Ayaw niya ng pancake. Pancake. Oh, I thought you have a nice lighter. You have a nice lighter.
Wait a minute, you got a computer. You don't need two computers.
Lambingin muna natin ito para hindi tayo makalimutan kasi gabi na po ito o babalik dito guys mga tomorrow, bukas na ng umaga dito yan, diba? Lambingin, halik-halikan, ganun. I'm sure you have something over there that you can eat.
Yeah.
It's close to any restaurant.
Yeah, there's a pizzeria across the street.
How many lighter you bringing?
Because when one stops working.
Hey, you're not allowed to bring.
I need your car keys though.
And you're not allowed to bring live fan.
Yes, sir.
Pasensya, nakayus mukha ni Lola guys ha. So tingnan niyo yung mukha. Gusto pa talagang matulog na may meron pang buhok na naabot na bisan asa. Uy, grabe.
I gotta wash my glasses. I need.
Right here. Drive careful. Drive careful, huh?
Yeah.
I love you. Do you want tissue?
Yeah, you can put a towel in the car. I know.
No, I don't think so.
You put them out again? Really?
I think it's
Put them in. You keep throwing them out.
okay. I think it's still in the back.
Been sitting in the car for a month.
Okay, you have the phone holder here now,
Have you on?
or you have to slide it. Drive careful.
Yeah, shut these lights.
Yeah, you drive careful, huh?
You'll try.
I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, I will talk to you. Wait, turn that holder that you can put your phone. Gamitin lang daw niya yung sasakyan ko guys. So hindi ako makalakad ngayong araw. Kasi nga wala tayong sasakyan. Kasi yung sasakyan niya, iwan ko, gustong gusto na niya gamitin yung sasakyan ko. May sasakyan naman kaming tatlo guys. Yung sa akin yung puti, sa kanya yung itim at saka yung isa. So, diba? Paalis na siya. And then ang dilim-dilim pa sa labas. Kasi po nga maaga, sobrang aga niyang alis. Kasi malayo po yung biyahe niya guys. Papunta pa ng city sa Manhattan talaga. Mabuti na lang itong mister ko, matagal talaga siya nagtrabaho doon sa city. So, sanay na sanay siya. Alam niya kung saan yung pasikat-sikat. Alam niya kung saan maghanap ng parking. Kasi pahirapan talaga din yung parking doon, guys. Mahal kaya yung parking doon sa talagang parking na parking. So, maghanap ka ng free parking talaga dapat. Ang napakanindot talaga, nakapakanindot talaga. Ang talaga kapag walang asawa, no? Sobrang aga, meron tayong gagawin. Iwan ko, naobserbahan ko lang guys. Hugas, linis. Kapag walang asawa, parang ang sarap gumagalaw-galaw. Galing ito sa basurahan ba? Ito din, Bud Light, Galing yan sa basura. Coffee. Nilagyan ni Tami ng kasi tulo ba? Yan. Kunin natin yan. Tulo kasi pagkatapos mong tulo pa rin siya. So, yun. Panat inday gingging, wala kang katulong, wala kang kasama, wala kang kapatid, wala kang ina dyan, ikaw lang mag-isa. Kailangan trabaho mo lahat, buong bahay mo, ikaw maglinis, kapagod ito pa, kapag kumakain ka na, walang kasama sa bahay, iniwan ni Mister. Ay, ang sad ng buhay kapag ganito. Tignan nyo lang, sa labas na lang ako nakatingin. Anyway guys, kain ako at natutulog pagkatapos yon. Ini-edit ko to pagkatapos. Salamat sa inyong time. Next time ulit ha.
Morning, guys. A little tired, yes. I got like 1 o'clock in the morning. But I'm so tired.
He's so tired guys. He just got up. He fall asleep driving. So
I'm down on the couch, but
he stopped in a rest area this morning. 12 o'clock? No, 11, 12. So he just got home. He's still tired. And he's having his coffee.
but we still gotta go.
Go where?
It's almost coming, remember?
Yeah, but what time? He doesn't call you? Huh?
We'll figure we'll leave like 11.
He say that?
That's what he said that day.
Yeah, but he said he's gonna call you.
Yeah.
So I guess aalis muna kami guys. Mag-ready lang kami guys.
I told him I'd
Aalis.
be working today.
Okay.
Hi guys, don't mind me, I'm just doing some laundry because it's time. I'm gonna check all the pockets, make sure there's nothing in there. It's crazy stuff. Not mine. I don't wear stripy pants. And then my son looking for a way he can come up here and jump on me while I'm doing laundry. It's what he likes to do. House. No can do that.
Hala!
Ay, ay, ay. What? You're gonna rub on me. What? You're gonna rub on me. What? What? What little man? So this is the deal, guys. If I want to do laundry, I need to have a cat on my shoulder.
Can you
If I
put
want to
him?
do anything, I need to have a cat on my shoulder.
Can you put him down?
I can't put him down. This is where he wants to be.
Put him down. You already have problem. Habs, come on, come on.
It's my job, guys. Eat the old stuff. My wife won't she don't want to eat the leftovers. So then you just sit there until they grow mold and we throw them out. Or I'll eat the old stuff. Here she got the new stuff. I don't understand why she won't eat the fruit. It's fruit. It's hot. Refreshing and hot. There's pineapple she likes. Watermelon she likes. Grapes she likes. Mango she likes.
That's the
still
problem.
won't eat it.
That's the problem when you buy stuff and then it's not gonna be eaten. It's my fault.
Well, I bought it for your party, so you guess have something because you're sitting outside in the heat. Fruit is always a nice thing.
We have so much fruit. Hey, what are you doing in your phone? What are you doing?
You see the text that
What is it? What are you doing? Oh, you're texting somebody, love. Oy. Oh, okay.
kids loving these things.
So they have two clothes?
Oh, those are their clothes.
Oh,
But the pads, these are pads that the box that had two of them.
okay.
I told Melanie, just keep in mind that there's two of them in there. I got one this way. Amelia has one as well. She doesn't, so left
So
out.
I saw that it's just one box. What I saw.
Yeah, it was one box with two pads in it.
Two pads.
Yeah. So they had, they had different brands, and this brand had the same price, like $2 more. You get two pads instead of one. So I said, let's go with that. It's just like a drawing pad.
Yes,
draw it and
spying,
you erase
spying my husband. That's how he does, guys. Every time, guys. Always in the phone. Always no time. No time for the wifey. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I say bye-bye to them. You're so busy. You're so busy, hoy. No time for me, hoy. Hoy.
Hoy. Let's shut
No
this
time
off,
for
hoy.
me, hoy. Why you don't have time for me? Why you don't make a time for your wife?
I had time for you.
Oh, what is it? What time you gave me, huh?
I got nothing but time. What do you need?
I need you
Nothing but time.
right here, right there. Sige na, be. Oy, sino yung mahilig? Sino yung mahilig humalik? Sino yung humilig humalik ng armpits ng asawa? Ako, guys, mahilig akong humalik. It smells so good. I know, it smells so good. Ako, mahilig akong humalik sa armpit. Lako, so white, oh. Oh my God, my armpit is dark like a freaking tornado. My husband armpits is perfectly.
Tornado?
Yeah, dark tornado, hon.
Oh.
Smells good, and it smells your armpit.
No, you hide that stuff.
You think only Filipino know how to save all the containers, the cheese containers, juice container? You think only Filipino? Look at this guy. He act like a Filipino.
These nice containers are like a picture.
No. Look at that. He saved everything. You know what, guys? If he buy ice, if he buy,
with drinks and you got like a picture for you.
oh my God. Oh, this is the thing is, he has a reason already. He give me a reasoning. My God, guys, he buy ice cream. Okay, the ice cream container he will save.
Ice cream?
Yes, the glass container ice creamy, whatever is that mom stuff. You did. Look at that. You think Filipino knows how to do it? Americano. Look at that. Hinugasan pa, guys. Ganyan yan siya, color curds. Akala nyo? You think only Filipino knows how to save everything? Look, he will save everything. Okay, so now what is the reason why you wash that for?
This is a picture.
That's garbage. It's garbage. Don't give me a reason of pixel. Look at this.
Not
we have
pixel, picture.
picture. Yeah. Look at this, guys. I will show you. We have pictures. We don't even use what we have. This is
Those are for wine.
no. I'm gonna throw that out, Han, because Han, you collect everything. Look at what you did. Oh, this is a messy guy. So don't wash it. Enough with that, because I'm gonna put all the garbage out anyway today. So yun, okay, stop it na. Look. You know what, honey? Filipino mama, old people, save container, okay?
I'm old people, what can I tell you?
Filipino, you're American, you're not a Filipino, okay? It's very common in the Philippines. We say, look at that, guys.
Very common everywhere.
No, give it to me. Come on, give it to me.
Leave it there to dry out.
Han,
Leave it to dry out.
I will throw garbage today.
Leave it there to dry out.
Because look, he drink it. He saved it. Look. Okay, tell me why you're saving everything.
You guys finished already? Seriously?
Annoying. Oh, annoying. That's annoying right there. Look at him.
I gotta check.
Look.
Scratch.
La.
Fucker.
Oh, Jesus. Put him down.
God, Hobbs.
Hobbs!